Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can remove your shows and movies from the continue watching section of Netflix. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.netflix.com and hit enter. After the home page of Netflix opens up on your screen, sign into your account and then scroll down and find the continue watching row. Now on this row, hover over the movie or the series you want to remove from continue watching like this, and then click on this remove from row option. As you can see on my screen, after I click on the cross option, the movie or the series has been removed from the continue watching row. I hope this video helped you to remove your required movie or series from your continue watching row. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.